My eyes is hurt. Piso ng laman, manager, pag piso ng laman ng Gcash mo, kung yung laman ng ano mo, ng PayPal mo. Diba? Tapos na kami pa si certificate. Yeah, I need it right now because I'm gonna buy a guitar on my father. It's so expensive. Oh my god, how can I get that? Naman naman, kasing gitara na yun. Dami na may request pa pa, gitara pa. But the request of my father is so expensive. I thought he gonna request to me alcohol. I thought alcohol. Whiskey instead of guitar, but no, it's guitar. I'm gonna buy one box of legal whiskey. But you need guitar. Salamat sa mga nag-grade. Wala din tulog paper ko. Nasa bundok ako. Wala ka pala kung sa bundok ako. Nasa bundok? Kaso yung pagkahirapan na naman ako sa TikTok. Pahirapan na naman ako. Ano na naman ko sabihin sa akin. Tapos alam mo ba? Tapos ito lang nandito. Sila lahat nandun. Hindi sila pumunta dito. Ito lang pumunta. Pag ganito mo sila magsalita ka doon, sabi mo, wait, sabi mo doon sa live dyan, sabi mo, mag-share man lang kayo doon. Live na si Manager Jen. Oh, itunin mo. Mag-share man lang tayo. I'm so calm. I try not to move. Every time that you start, still true. And yeah, gone. So I have left me alone, but I've sort of this was before. They made me blue. Oh, my heart's unknown. There's something in my life that's so true. I can't count on you. Choose one place, spend the rest of my days anywhere I'll do.